if the cost of the car is so high that they have to raise the price of the car to the point where the price of the car is, and Rivian I think has this problem, so that they either need to fix it or they're in deep trouble. They raise the price to the point where only a very small number of people can afford the car, no matter how desirable it is. At that point, if you cannot achieve a unit volume that covers your fixed costs, you're screwed. Mm-hmm. They don't think about affordability. Like, all cars are affordable. If someone just literally does not have enough money in the bank account, they cannot buy the car, even if you rail desirability to infinite. Like, we'll just turn the desirability knob. This thing, will transform into a jet and fly you to a private island that it will create by itself. You can make it so desirable that you can just make desirability infinite. But if it costs more than people can afford, they can't buy it no matter how great it is.